How to cancel Uber Eats Pass. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel your Uber Eats Pass. Now I won't be able to show you directly here since it is currently unavailable in my region. However, I'll guide you quickly on how you can do it, so listen carefully and stay tuned to the video. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your Uber Eats app, and there, if you are logged into your account, what you want to do is at the bottom right corner of your screen you'll find the option account. Simply tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and there, if you scroll down below, you'll find various options there. Now what you want to do is you want to find the option Eats Pass and you want to select it. Once you open up Eats Pass, you'll find your all pass available there if you have any, and once you scroll down below you'll find the option to enable or disable your Eats Pass. Simply tap on the auto renew option there, and once if it is enabled, you want to disable the auto renew option. It'll ask you for confirmation, however, and once you confirm it, you'll be able to cancel your Uber Eats Pass. So this way you can cancel your Uber Eats Pass. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.